Hey everyone, especially those of you aged 40 and above. At this stage of life, which is often a busy time for us, have you ever felt incredibly tired, not just physically, but also mentally, to the point where we ask ourselves, am I just being lazy, or is something wrong? It's important for us to understand that mental exhaustion, what's often called burnout, is not something to be taken lightly. It's not just ordinary laziness, but a serious condition of severe stress resulting from work and accumulated life pressures. If ignored, it can affect our overall health. Often, when we just want to lie in bed, have no energy to do anything, we're immediately labeled as lazy. However, especially in our 40s, we carry so many responsibilities, chasing targets at work, taking care of family at home, not to mention perhaps caring for aging parents. All of this can make us feel like a sandwich pressed from all sides. So, to help us become more aware, here are 6 signs that what we're experiencing isn't just laziness, but is leaning towards mental exhaustion. 1. Feeling disconnected or unattached. Everything feels automatic, empty, like we're watching our own lives from the outside. 2. Used to be energetic, now feel drained. If we used to have high motivation at work or in our passions, but now even getting out of bed feels difficult, this isn't just being lazy. 3. Hobbies and interests become a burden. Things we used to enjoy now cause stress, or we even dislike them because we feel overworked. 4. Easily angered and irritated. Our emotions become unstable, easily triggered by trivial things. If we used to be more patient, this change is worth noting. 5. Neglecting self-care. We start skipping meals, having irregular sleep, being too tired to shower, and avoiding friends or family. This is a sign that our body and mind are breaking down. 6. It all happens gradually. This exhaustion doesn't come suddenly. It usually develops in stages, from mild stress, accumulating into chronic fatigue, until we completely lose interest and energy. In our 40s and beyond, we often become the backbone for many people. Career pressures, family matters, and various expectations can be very burdensome. Burnout can creep up on us without us even realizing it. But the good news is, burnout can be overcome. Here are some ways to deal with burnout. Prioritize. Focus on the most important things first. Don't be a perfectionist. Reduce demands on yourself. And appreciate every small achievement. Balance your life. Don't just work. Set aside time for hobbies and relaxation. Take care of your health. Eating healthy, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep are essential. Don't hesitate to seek professional help. If you've tried everything but haven't seen improvement, a psychologist can help. Remember, reaching your 40s doesn't mean it's over. In fact, it's the beginning of a new chapter with more wisdom and strength. Take care of our mental health. Don't let burnout steal our zest for life. Hopefully, this video is helpful and makes us more mindful of our well-being.